Here we are in the beautiful Port Waikato, and we are at Kohanga School, a fantastic, humble little community school, about 35 students, right out in the middle of the country. We've got this beautiful little playground that we've just completed.
I didn't think we'd win the competition because I knew that so many other schools would be entering, and ours is just a little tiny kura. To be able to tell them that Mitre were coming on board and going to build us something exciting and new for our school was such a wonderful surprise.
I think it's great, we're very big in community around the Pukekohe area, so to give some kids the opportunity to get outside and play, the answer to that was surefire yes. So just proud that they can help some kids out.
Whenever we do a playground, we always go to the school and ask what they want, and they ask for some musical instruments. I'm sure the caretaker who stays in the house at the back is going to be pretty stoked with those noises all day.
Play and learning go together seamlessly. We wanted to create a place that they can talk and laugh and really enjoy being together as children. We have quite a high transient population of children here. They often come in with low socioeconomic background, but that's why we try and make school a really inviting and warm and culturally safe place for them to be.
That tiny little school producing that, there was so much emotion there with that haka, and I think they just really, really appreciated this, and then to come up here to see them all just beaming it just makes your day. How much out of 10 do we get?
3,000!
Oh, 3,000 out of 10.
There is absolutely no way that a small school could produce what they've produced and created for our tamariki. We're just so appreciative of Mitre for offering this competition up, and then for us to be a recipient of it is wonderful. So thank you very much.
What was that? I couldn't hear you.